Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.